Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Decide the campaign goal, conversions, traffic, or brand awareness today. Identify the single metric you will optimize for. Define the target audience by demographics, interests, and behavior segments. Set a realistic budget like 0 to 000 and a campaign duration in days. Choose a 15 to 30-second runtime for most website placements to improve completion. Draft one clear call to action such as buy now or learn more. Specify required formats and aspect ratios before production begins. Write a tight script of 15 to 30 seconds with a single focus. Break the script into 3 beats: hook, value, and call to action. Create a quick storyboard or shot list for efficient shooting or animation. Shoot or animate at 1280 x 720, 30 frames per second, 16:9 ratio for web players. Use consistent brand colors, readable typography, and accessible contrast for on-screen text. Include the logo, headline, and one clear call to action in the final 5 seconds. Run a /B tests comparing 2 creatives for 2 weeks to gather initial data. Upload multiple sizes and thumbnails to match different placement requirements. Set bids at /bin/sh, 50 to 00 CPC, and monitor cost per click daily. Track metrics like CTR, conversion rate, and cost per acquisition in a dashboard. Pause underperforming creative after statistical significance is reached and reallocate budget to winners. Implement retargeting for site visitors and refine audience segments based on real performance signals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.